Hey, Dr. Maloof here from Tidewater Orthopedics. I'm a foot and ankle specialist. I'm here with one of my patients, Mr. Smith, who had come to see me. When did you first come to see me?
Back in October.
That was back in October of 2023. Okay, so maybe, I don't know, 9 months ago or so. And what was the main issue that you were having at the time?
I couldn't do the things I wanted to do.
Okay. And you were having pain?
A lot of pain
Where was the pain?
in my ankle.
Okay. And from what I remember, I think someone had tried to do something to help you with it at some point, and then it didn't really get you where you needed to be.
I had a surgery for turning my ankle.
Okay.
I had that.
So the main issue was that you were rolling your ankle all the time.
You're right. And that surgery fixed that, but it didn't help the ankle.
Didn't help the pain.
Yeah.
Okay. So you stopped rolling it, but you still had pain. Okay. So one thing that could happen to people is that if you roll your ankle all the time, you sprain it all the time, you can actually wear out the ankle. So if you catch it in time and you tighten it up, you can actually save the ankle joint. But if the ankle has already worn out and then you tighten it up, sometimes it makes it worse. So you probably still wind up having pain in the ankle.
Oh, a lot of pain.
Okay.
Now it was getting worse.
It was getting worse. Okay. And what did I tell you we should probably do?
You told me that when the pain got bad enough, I would be coming to you for an ankle replacement.
Okay.
And that's exactly what happened.
That's what happened. Okay. So then we wound up, let's fast forward, then we wound up doing the ankle replacement.
We did.
Okay. And now how long ago was that now?
That was in February the 21st, I think.
Okay. And today is what? Today is May the 28th. Right. So we're about 3 months or so out.
Yeah.
Over 3 months. Okay.
Yeah, close to 14 weeks.
14 weeks. Okay. So how did it go? What do you think?
It was really good. There was some pain and agony and all that at first.
Okay.
But other than that, it's just continually getting better all the time. There's still a little bit of pain and tightness and all that, but
so what do you think? Have you been able to get back to any activities you like?
I've been back to working in the yard.
Okay.
Back to dancing, ballroom dancing.
Go back.
And then back to pickleball.
Pickleball at 14 weeks. Okay. Well, I don't know if that was part of the plan, but I think I love that. If you're able to play pickleball.
I don't think it was what you were playing, but we're going back at it.
I'm okay with it. If you're having no pain, I mean, when we looked at your x-rays, they look beautiful. Everything is going well. I think at this point, do you feel like you're happy you did it?
Oh, I'm glad I did it. Yeah, if I had the same problem with the other ankle, no doubt not mine that I would do it.
All right. Well, thanks for allowing us to talk to prospective people out there and tell them your story.
Thank you for doing that surgery.
Absolutely, my pleasure. Here with Mr. Smith, Tidewater Orthopedics, Dr. Maloof. Come see us if you're having any pain in your ankle.